Picture this. You're cruising down the road, windows down, music blasting, life is good, until suddenly, bam! Your car decides to retire early, leaving you stranded on the side of the road. Sound familiar? Well, my friends, today we're going to make sure that never happens again. Because in this video, we're covering everything you need to know about car maintenance. The simple things that keep your ride in tip-top shape, save you money, and prevent you from calling a tow truck at 2 a.m. Whether you're a new driver, a car enthusiast, or someone who just wants to stop spending a fortune at the mechanic, this is your ultimate guide to keeping your car running like a dream. So buckle up, because we're about to break down car maintenance in the easiest and most fun way possible. 1. Oil changes, the lifeblood of your engine. First up, oil changes. You've probably heard it a million times, but let's be real, do you actually check your oil regularly? Be honest. Most people don't, and that's how engines end up on life support. Oil lubricates your engine's moving parts, prevents overheating, and keeps things running smoothly. Skipping oil changes is like never drinking water. Your car will suffer. So, check your oil at least once a month and change it as recommended by your car's manual, usually every 5,000 to 7,500 miles for modern vehicles. Pro tip: use high-quality oil and the right viscosity. Not sure what that means? Look in your owner's manual or ask your local mechanic before your car starts running like a lawnmower. 2. Tire care. Because bald tires equals bad news. Ever seen someone lose control in the rain? Chances are, they had bald tires. Your tires are the only thing connecting your car to the road, and if they're worn out, you're basically driving on banana peels. Check your tread depth with the penny test. Stick a penny into the tread with Lincoln's head down. If you can see the top of his head, it's time for new tires. Oh, and don't forget to check your tire pressure. Underinflated tires waste gas and overheat, while overinflated ones reduce traction. Aim for that sweet spot in your owner's manual. 3. Brakes. Stop before you can't ever hear that awful high-pitched squealing when you brake. That's your car screaming, "Please replace my brake pads." Ignoring brake issues can turn into a serious safety hazard. You do not want to find out your brakes are bad when you're approaching a red light at full speed. Brake pads usually need to be replaced every 25,000 to 50,000 miles, depending on your driving style. If you hear grinding noises or feel vibrations when stopping, get them checked ASAP. 4. Battery. Don't get stranded. Nothing ruins a day like a dead battery. Car batteries typically last 3-5 years, but if you constantly leave your lights on, your battery life could be shorter than a TikTok trend. Check your battery terminals for corrosion and keep them clean. Also, get your battery tested before winter hits. Cold weather loves to drain weak batteries faster than your phone on 1%. 5. Fluids. Your car's hydration game. Your car needs more than just oil. Coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid all play a role in keeping your car happy. Low coolant? Your engine overheats. Low brake fluid? Your stopping power decreases. Moral of the story: check your fluids at least once a month. 6. Filters. Clean air equals happy engine. Think about it. You wouldn't want to breathe in dirty air all day, right? Your car feels the same way. A clogged air filter reduces engine efficiency and gas mileage. Replace it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, or more often if you drive in dusty areas. 7. Lights. See and be seen. Driving with a burnt-out headlight is not only dangerous, it's also a great way to get pulled over. Check your lights regularly, headlights, brake lights, and turn signals, and replace bulbs as needed. Most of them are easy DIY fixes. 8. Belts and hoses. The silent lifesaver. If your engine had a heartbeat, it would be the serpentine belt. This little guy keeps your alternator, power steering, and AC running smoothly. If it snaps, you're in trouble. Inspect belts for cracks and replace them every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. 9. Keep it clean. Your car deserves it. A dirty car isn't just ugly, it actually wears down the paint and causes rust over time. Wash your car regularly, especially in winter when road salt is everywhere. Conclusion: treat your car right. Car maintenance isn't rocket science. With just a little effort, you can save money, avoid breakdowns, and keep your car running strong for years. So, check your oil, keep those tires fresh, and don't ignore that weird noise your car is making. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's the worst car problem you've ever had? See you in the next one.